Here's a pair of the JBL Live 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is let's put this in the pairing mode, okay? So I got the power button right here. Let me just go ahead and slide it up. Let me turn it on. Now I know if it's in pairing mode, I get a blue blinking light, okay? I get a white solid white light here. So if you have a solid white light or solid blue light, just go under here. And there's a Bluetooth button. Tap it once, and now you should have a blue blinking light. Now we're in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Samsung TV, and we're going to go to settings. You can click on the settings button if you have that on your remote. If not, go to the home page, click on the home button on your remote, and then just move over to the left. And then we want to go down to, settings right there, and then all settings. Select that. From here, we're going to go down one to sound right there. Select that. Now sound output, it says TV speaker. So the sound is coming out of TV speaker, but we want it to come out of the headphones. So we're going to select on sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. Now see that little spinny thing up there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode. So these are still in the pairing mode. These are still blinking blue, so let me just keep going down and see if it found it. Right there, JBL Live 660 needs pairing. Go ahead and select it. Pair and connect. Oh, I just heard the chime on here. We're connected, ready to go. And there you go, pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below in the description area for that link.